Okay, so I'm Avner, I'm from Team 60, and I want to try and solve one of the basic problems, which is when I go to YouTube and I want to watch something funny, and that's not an easy thing to do, because you can either search for something specific that you already know, but it's really hard to surface stuff under just a... What's that? Oh, sorry. But it's really hard to find something that will just entertain you and be a TV experience. So I want to build a collaborative funny channel and build a simple interface for Android to on the Google TV to just sort out and rate the videos so that you can constantly improve the quality of content in there. And we're already one developer, one designer. We have one more developer doing server side. He's not here, but supporting from back in Israel. And anybody who thinks this is something interesting can join us. We're 60. Hi, everybody. I'm Avner from Deja, and we're trying to build social TV channels. So what are we trying to do? I mean, as far as content goes, we basically have most of what we want online, as online video. But as far as the experience goes, it's still very far away from what we know and love from TV. I mean, everybody, I guess the best example is going to YouTube and trying to find something funny. It doesn't work as a search. It works as a much broader term and a topic. So how can we address that and use online video as a source to create a dumbed down user experience like we know and love from TV? So to start this off, we decided to tackle funny, I guess. So what we did is we loaded to our servers all blogs and playlists that are relevant to the subject matter, and they're open for social interaction as well. So if there's a video that you think is relevant to a channel, you can easily post it to that channel and be a publisher of that video. And of course we're using, we dropped down the player controller, we are using interstitial in between. We want to create a lean back experience. And by using experts on that topic, you know that you get constantly updated, relevant stream of videos around that topic. So I'll just press a different video, have it load.
I'll give you an idea, and I'm a recovering hick, though. I try to get away from it. It's very difficult, especially when I inform you of the fact of how hick I am. My father was a professional bowler. Shit, yeah.
So I think that
it doesn't get any more hick.
we are originally an iOS app. We have an app for iPhone and iPad, and we use this as an experience to try and tackle the Android interface experience, and it was great fun. And I think the next challenge is really building the mechanisms for curation to enable us to grow, to build something that can actually become more comprehensive than the cable networks, the niche channels.
If I get it right, you're talking about really having it's crowdsourced playlists, really, right?
Yeah.
So it would have been great to see in this demo to see maybe you flicking through different genres or playlists
Sure.
to help hammer that point home. Do you think as people will submit, and I think you might have said this, will people be voting up and down, and
Yeah.
and then will these therefore in order to make sure the playlists work out right, will you be kind of shuffling the playlist, if you will, so you're not always starting at the very beginning?
Yeah, so I think the curation mechanisms has two parts. The first part is curating the sources, so curating the playlist, curating the opinion leaders that blogs port into the channels, and the second part is rating the individual videos themselves. So rating the individual videos themselves is something that hopefully a certain chunk of the user experiencing the video can vote easily up and down, and sort of in that way create a hierarchy within the channel so that the first-time user will get the most relevant video and hopefully be entertained so that he doesn't have to use another form of.
Are you already doing some NLP, some natural language processing, to pull from these different feeds and blogs?
We're scraping various sources of blogs and playlists, and we build a mechanism for submitting new blogs, playlists, and videos.
I thought it was really cool. I really like the transition element to it, like what's playing right there. I think it's really, really subtle. I think it makes a huge difference in the overall experience, and that you're trying to drive this lean back consumption experience. You don't have to think about anything. There's no loading screen. I think that is. I think it's subtle, but I think it really does make a big impact on the overall experience. I guess my question for you is, how do you see the kind of channel flipping metaphor working in the future? Like, do you just kind of automatically take people to new channels? Does the person actually have to? Interact? Like, where do you kind of put your slider in terms of, lean forward and kind of lean back, being on two ends of the spectrum?
Sure. So I think there are basically two paths that you can flip through channels. I mean, you can flip between the channel, meaning flip between the videos and find the one that are relevant to you, and flip between the channels themselves to move to a subject or a topic that is relevant to you and that can keep you in a lean back experience. So I think that is the key.
Second place runner-up for the first category was Deja.
Deja.
Thanks a lot, guys. I just wanted to say that looking at this field, we've been waiting for connected TVs to happen for like a couple of years now, and let's hope that it's finally arrived.
That's it.